My husband told me when my son turned 9 years old that it was time for him to join 4-H. And I said, "What's that?" My name is Joanne Ylarregui. I've been a part of the Howard 4-H Club for 50 years now. 4-H was originally created in 1914 by Congress. It was all about education and improving the way farmers worked through their kids. Eventually, it became more. It's just about how to improve your way of living with food and nutrition. There's a large variety of things that they can do.
Sheep, poultry, camping demonstrations, rocketry, poultry demonstrations, and cooking.
There's a lot of practice and hard work involved.
Basically, things I have to learn this year is like everything about the egg. We have a couple showmanship birds. So showmanship it depends on what animal you're doing. If you're doing chickens, you do it in your hand. You have to inspect like almost the entire bird. You're like this. They'll judge you what place, and it depends on how good you look. And I managed to get Grand Reserve Champion, which got me this belt buckle.
I see the long-term rewards for the kids. I know that it makes a difference in their life, and it's hard. It's hard work, but it profits them the rest of their lives, and that's why I do it.